So this is a really informal little video. We weren't really planning to do it, but I'm just here. I've got a new little sprayer, which is great, and I just thought I'd do a little video for the website to show anybody wishing to paint their estate fence sort of how quick and easy it is. So we generally on site use two different types of sprayer. A corded sprayer, which is very similar to this, but obviously runs off the mains, or this is like 40 quid off Amazon, a little battery sprayer. This one uses Makita batteries. And actually it's now my favourite tool. It's brilliant. There's no wire to sort of get in the way. It's quick and easy to use, and it does a great job. So when you're spraying, you will need to thin the paint, or the paint that we supply is quite thick for brushing on. So if you're running it through a sprayer, you will need some thinners. We just use this Tetrasol thinner. It's about £15 for that. You can also use it to clean all the equipment afterwards as well. So yeah, we'll give it a quick go. We'll keep the camera rolling, and then it will just do this little short section here, and it won't take long. Or a little tip actually, when you're spraying the estate fence, to spray the corners of the rails and the corners of the post, and then you'll get the top and the face. So I'll aim for this corner on here, this corner on there, and that will cover the top and bottom and the face. We don't do a lot of painting. Actually, most people choose to leave their estate fence to weather naturally. So I'm not an expert, not had any training, so it is something honestly anybody can do. And the beauty is, once you've got one of these, you can then use it to reapply your paint, or any paint for that matter. So right, I'll get the kit on and get spraying. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Obviously I've got to do the other side. That was less than 5 minutes. You do need to make small adjustments sometimes as you go. You can adjust the spray pattern and the flow rate. It depends a bit on temperature. The thicker the paint, sometimes you'll just need to increase the flow rate slightly, but it's trial and error. You'll get a feel for it. Each machine has its own little quirks, but otherwise it's quite good fun, and it's quick and simple. It takes about 2 minutes a metre to paint both sides of the estate fence. So this is a 45 metre run, and this has all been painted before lunchtime. So it doesn't take long. The savings with buying bare steel panels are significant compared to painted, so it really does make sense to paint your own. And the beauty is then, if you're using panels with the bolt heads and nuts, they all get painted the same, and so it just gives a very nice cohesive look. The gate, I took that off. It's quite simple, just unbolt the hinges. I sprayed it once upside down, and again the right way up, and that just allows you to get right into these little nooks and crannies, or the crooks as they're called. So we can supply the paint if need be. It's a high build steel enamel paint, requires just one coat. I have given this 2 today because we had the paint and I was really quite enjoying doing the painting. It's not something we usually do. We typically just supply estate fencing, but occasionally if we have a local client, we will install it, and on this occasion we've painted it too. So I think that pretty much covers everything. If you've got any other questions on painting, please get in touch and we'll do our best to help.